It seems like the rich know something about money that the rest of us don't. It's probably because they do. The fact that the wealthiest 1% of individuals now control over 30% of the world's wealth, as reported by the Federal Reserve. Maybe rich people have some secrets to getting wealthy, but that doesn't mean we can't learn what they know. We can find out how they make money and try to do the same to become rich too. 1. Your salary isn't the whole story. Your salary isn't the only factor in building wealth. While advancing in your career can boost your income, there's a limit to how much you can earn through salary alone. The wealthy understand that true wealth growth involves making your money work for you, rather than solely relying on earning more. Robert Kiyosaki, renowned for his best-selling book Rich Dad Poor Dad, emphasizes this concept. He advocates for generating income from passive sources rather than active ones. Passive income is money earned with minimal effort or involvement on your part. It includes earnings from investments like dividend-paying stocks, rental properties, profits from businesses you don't manage day-to-day, and royalties from creative works or inventions. By focusing on building passive income streams, you can create a sustainable and potentially growing source of wealth that isn't solely tied to your time and effort. 2. Align spending with goals. To become wealthy, having clear goals is crucial, and wealthy individuals understand what matters most to them. Whether it's securing their family's financial future or enjoying a particular lifestyle. They are discerning in their spending, avoiding expenses that don't serve their priorities, and investing only in endeavors that align with their objectives. We can adopt this strategy by defining our own aspirations and evaluating whether our expenditures are in line with them. For instance, if our aim is to save for a home, we should refrain from splurging on items that won't contribute to this goal. 3. Take advantage of time, not timing. Timing the stock market is a tricky game. Even the wealthiest investors don't predict every move. Instead of market timing, investment success lies in leveraging time and compound returns. While some chase quick profits through frequent trading, the wealthy opt for patience and consistency. They adopt a buy-and-hold strategy, enduring market fluctuations and benefiting from compounding to steadily grow their wealth. 4. Put it in writing. Turning ideas into written plans can be the key difference between success and just getting by. If your definition of success involves wealth, it could be time to start putting your goals down on paper. Thomas C. Corley, author of Rich Habits, found that 67% of wealthy individuals wrote down their goals, and 81% maintained to-do lists. If you aspire to become wealthy, take a cue from these practices. Write down your goals, big and small, and create a plan to achieve them. Having a written roadmap can help you stay focused and accountable on your journey to wealth. 5. Be your own boss. To attain genuine wealth, contemplate being your own boss instead of working for others. Forbes reports that over 70% of billionaires are self-made, having amassed their fortunes by establishing or co-establishing companies. While many middle-class individuals perceive starting a business as too risky, the affluent recognize that the true risk lies in surrendering control of your time and earnings to a boss who doesn't even care about you. Seizing control of your fate through entrepreneurship offers the prospect of generating substantial wealth and molding your future. 6. Pursue your passion. Chasing your passion is often crucial for attaining wealth. Successful individuals excel in fields they deeply enjoy. Having a genuine interest in your pursuit is vital for success. Managing a business demands dedication and resolve. Sustaining effort is challenging without true passion. Aligning your pursuits with your interests helps you invest the needed time and energy to achieve wealth and impact your field. 7. Use other people's money. For the wealthy, "it takes money to make money" isn't just a cliché, it's a fundamental principle. They leverage other people's money to increase their wealth. Trading time for money isn't effective, especially with changing job landscapes. Instead, using funds from banks or investors and hiring others is key. Tax laws often favor businesses, encouraging leveraging external resources. Whether starting a business or investing, using others' money can boost returns. But it carries risks, as Warren Buffett said, risk comes from not knowing what you're doing. Leveraging others' money requires careful planning and risk understanding. 8. Go against the crowd. Warren Buffett, a highly successful investor, advises against following the crowd in investment decisions. Instead, he suggests investing in overlooked companies he believes in. Buffett's strategy involves seizing fearful opportunities and being cautious in overly optimistic times. He emphasizes independent thinking and avoiding herd mentality. Buffett encourages trusting one's judgment and making rational decisions based on analysis, not following trends. This approach can help investors identify valuable opportunities others miss. 9. Diversify your assets. It's important to spread your money across different types of investments, like stocks, bonds, and real estate. This helps lower the risk of losing all your money if one investment doesn't do well. By dividing your money wisely, you can manage risk, make the most of growth opportunities, and ensure your investments match your financial goals. Another smart move is putting your investments in the right kinds of accounts to save on taxes. By balancing where you put your money and how you spread it out, you're more likely to build wealth over time. 10. Have plenty of liquidity. Rich individuals ensure they have enough cash for short-term needs, like unexpected expenses or seizing opportunities quickly. They keep an emergency fund so they won't be disrupted by unexpected events. This saving habit is about discipline, not just wealth. Experts suggest aiming for an emergency fund that covers 6 to 9 months of expenses. You can start by setting aside a portion of your paycheck each month. Automate transfers from your checking to savings to make it easier. Persist in building your emergency fund, as wealth is not just about money, but also experiences, relationships, and impact. If you found this video useful, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to not miss our future uploads. See you in the next video.